Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna make some cassava cake. Please join me. I'm gonna show you.
So with the recipe we're gonna need
So in this recipe, the cassava cake, we are going to put some shredded coconut in it. Optional. If you don't have shredded coconut, it's okay. And then add a little bit of vanilla for a little bit of flavor. First, we're gonna put the egg in. And we're just gonna have to stir it up. And then condensed milk. It's 3/4 cup because I like it with more milk and it's a little sweeter. You can put less, but this time I have lots of cassava, so I add a little bit of milk in it. Then you just have to stir it up like that. Mix the butter. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract, just for the flavor. I like the smell of it, but if you don't have it, it's okay. And then 400 grams of what is this, coconut milk. You'll just have to pour it in and mix it all up. Pwede mo na patayin dyan. Okay, it's all mixed up. Then sugar. Oh, I can smell the vanilla in it already. The mixture of butter and milk all together. Okay, I think it's all ready. Then we're gonna have to put this. So guys, if you get the cassava from the market, you make sure that before you cook it, you have to squeeze up all the juices out of it, so then it's not gonna be too mushy. Okay, and last, so make sure they are all mixed together. The good thing about the recipe is it's not only easy to make, it's also like very good for snack time. So see, with the coconut, the texture is changing. All right, So it's ready to transfer to the pan. I heated up the oven for 360 Fahrenheit. Okay, and then we'll transfer it into the pan like this. Make sure that they are all even. And flat. There you go. It's all ready for the oven. And then let's bake it for an hour. And then after that, we're gonna put the topping on it, and I'll show you how to put the topping. There you go. Hot, hot, hot. Wow. Alright, it's done. So now we're gonna work for the toppings. Okay, for the topping, we have 2 egg yolks here that are already broken. Just gonna slide it in like that. And then coconut milk, a cup. And lastly, we're gonna have the condensed milk, and it's half a cup of condensed milk. And then we're just gonna have to stir it up. Let's scrape it all up here. Make sure that everything is in. Then it's gonna have to mix it all up. All right, it's set. And then with the mixture, we're gonna pour it over our cassava cake. There you go. And then we're gonna have to put it back to the oven for another 10 minutes. All right, here we go. Let's cover them all up. And then it's ready to go back to the oven. And also, if you have some cheddar cheese, like Eden cheese or cheddar cheese, any cheddar cheese, you can put it on top or mix it all with the topping, and then put it on top of your cassava cake. Steady. Oh. Whoa. Look at this, guys. So yummy. But very hot, so be careful. Here we go. It's bubbly hot. Oh my goodness. I love it.